What's up, beautiful people? Welcome again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming, finally, we are going to be transforming our TV wall, and I'm going to be taking you through the process. The first thing that we did transform is our balcony, and I showed you the video. We also transform our hallway, and I showed you the video. So make sure to go to our channel and watch the other videos. So in today's video, I'm just going to be starting by transforming our TV wall, and I hope you'll get the enjoyment, one idea or two, and let's start the video. If this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. Yeah, share this video with your friends and family because it's an amazing video that entertains you, that gives you ideas on how to transform your spaces into your dream places or dreams homes. Yeah, so for me, I had to transform this TV wall into my dream entertainment center. That is what I'm going to be doing. So the first thing I did, as you can see on the screen, was removing everything so that I can be left with the plain place to work on. Then the other thing that I was going to be doing is mixing this glue. This is the glue that is usually used to apply the not contact paper, but the wallpaper on the wall. So you just mix it because it usually comes as a powder. You mix it with water until you get a paste like solution, and then you apply the solution on the wall. Also you apply it on the wallpaper so that you can attach it to the wall. The other thing that I did was measure all the panels that I was going to be working with. I had to measure it and then put the measurements on the wall and then mark some points so that I can know where I'm going to be putting the wallpaper. So now this is just me applying the glue on the wall, and then off camera I'm going to be applying it on the wallpaper. I don't know why I keep saying the contact paper, but it's the wallpaper. And then I'm going to be sticking them on the wall, and I'm going to be explaining to you why I'm doing that. Anyway, if this is the kind of videos that you normally like doing makeovers videos, transformation videos, DIYs and many more, this is your channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we normally do all sorts of videos. That's why we are called All Things With Us. Yeah, you can visit our channel and watch more of our content because we have a variety of videos. We have many videos, DIYs video, makeover videos that we can watch on our channel. So guys, after putting the wallpaper on the wall, the purpose for these wallpapers is to prevent the glue that I'm going to be using to mount the wall panels is to prevent the original paint of the house, so that when I come to remove the wall panels, I will not damage the original paint of the house. That is the only purpose why I'm using the wallpapers. But you can just hang the wall panels without using the wallpaper. But for me, for safety, I'm going to be using these small wallpapers. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is cutting my wall panels. As you can see, I did go with black panels, and I'm going to be cutting them into sizes. I've measured already the wall. It's 8 feet, so I'm going to be cutting them into 8 feet and then starting to align them on the wall. So let's cut the wall. Now after cutting all the panels into sizes, I told you 8 feet, I'm going to be using contact glue to apply to attach the wall panels on the wall, not on the wall, but I've already put the wallpaper, so it will be on the wallpapers. And I'm going to be repeating the same process whereby I'm going to be applying the contact glue on the panels, also on the wall that is on the wallpaper, because I don't want to interfere with the paint of the house. So I'm going to be applying it also on the wallpaper, so that when I attach them they will be more permanent. Yeah, and I will be repeating the same process on all the panels because they are small, as you can see. So you put one by one, and they have a pattern that you follow while putting them there. That is, if you know. So you just put them until you reach the point that you wanted, because you can expand it or remain slim. But for me, that was the measurements that I wanted according to the wall that I was going to be working with. And then after that, you will just get to see all the steps, all the processes, because everything in this video I've tried to explain and show you step by step clips on what I did during this transformation. And I hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think about the whole process, tell me what you think about the videos or my channel, and I will appreciate that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also share these videos with your friends and family, and that will be a great support to my channel. And thank you so much, and I will see you in my next videos.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So now I'm done. We are done putting the panels, as you can see. So the next thing we are going to be doing is mounting this board on this wall, and then after mounting it, we are going to be mounting our TV here in this area. After mounting the TV, we are going to be doing some wiring. We are going to be putting some lights here and other lights at the back of this board. And then after that, you are going to be seeing the process. So let us mount this one. The other thing that I wanted to do on this wall was putting some RGB lights in different places, and I'm going to be showing you all the parts that I'm going to be putting the lights, the kind of lights that I'm going to be using. Like for this one, it's going to be placed at the back of the board, which the board that holds the TV, but you're going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing, because this one is going to be around the board and you will see it. The other lights, I'm going to be putting them at that place where I did put the panels, and each and everything that I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm just going to be showing you here.
some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,